Okay? Dadaan kayo sa tinatawag yung midlife crisis. Doon tayo sa business negosyo, mga negosyante. Nagnegosyo rin si Coach. Of course, GMMG is a business, but let's talk about my first business. Okay. One of the biggest problems why businesses would fail is lack of experience of the owner, no? And number two, yung tinatawag nating midlife crisis. Okay, parang kakaiba yung Coach. One of the things na natutunan ni Coach Miranda is kung gagawa kayo ng business and if you want to become a millionaire, pag hindi nyo alam yung business na papasukin nyo, you need to have a partner that knows the technical part of it. Pag hindi pa, wag nyo madaliin. Darating sa mga 30s, ito, dadaanan nyo to. Kasi this is for people who wants to be a millionaire before 30. As you go to the 30 years old, okay, dadaan kayo sa tinatawag yung midlife crisis. Ano ba yan? I feel stagnant. I feel you're too old to be a boy, but you're too young to be a lolo. That's a 30-year-old. Diba? Mararamdaman mo yan that you feel stuck, stagnant, and whenever you feel that, that's valid. I don't want to invalidate you. That's valid. Dadaanan nyo po, yung iba nga 25 pa lang nararamdaman na yun eh. I feel stuck, I feel not doing well. Ano gagawin ko? I have so many decisions to do. I'm on a crossroad.